In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shipping on eBay in 2025. Whether you're a frequent seller or just someone trying to streamline your shipping process, this guide will help you manage and organize your selling preferences to offer your buyers combined shipping options. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for eBay. Once you see the search results, go ahead and click on the first result that pops up. This will take you right to the main eBay homepage. Once there, you'll want to look towards the upper left corner of the page and find the Sign In button. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and click on this button and enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, now's a good time to sign up, as eBay offers a variety of features for sellers once you have an account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention again to the upper left area, and you'll see your profile icon or your username. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu and select Account Settings to get started with configuring your preferences. In the Account Settings menu, you will see a variety of options to choose from. Look for the Selling option and click on it. This is where all your selling configurations are managed. Continuing from there, find and click on Selling Preferences. This section allows you to adjust various selling-related settings, and most importantly, it's where you set up your combined shipping options. Now scan through your selling preferences for a section called Combined Shipping. Once you've found it, click on Edit to start setting up your rules. Here, eBay offers you three main options to choose from: the flat shipping rule, the calculated shipping rule, and the promotional shipping rule. The flat shipping rule allows you to set a fixed shipping cost regardless of how many items are purchased. This is a great choice if you want to keep it simple and predictable for both you and your buyers. The calculated shipping rule automatically adjusts the shipping cost based on the item's weights and dimensions combined into a single shipment. This is ideal if you have a varied inventory with differing sizes and weights. Lastly, the promotional shipping rule lets you incentivize buyers to purchase more by offering discounted or free shipping once certain conditions are met. To adjust these settings, you can click on the Edit icon next to each rule. Each option comes with its own settings, so take your time to carefully choose the setups that best align with your selling strategy. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to hit Save to ensure your new combined shipping rules are applied. That wraps up this guide on how to combine shipping on eBay. With these settings configured, you can offer a more attractive shopping experience for your buyers and manage your shipping with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!